Yo, what's up? It's MB14 and again, we're back for another SBX Tutorial. So today I'm going to talk to you about an interesting technique which doesn't use any effect in the loop station. It just uses the input knob. So basically the input knob, which regulates the volume of your voice, can also allow you to mute it. But with that effect, you can play and kind of imitate an instrument by creating an artificial sidechain. I'm going to explain you how. All I'm doing is just turning the volume up and then mute my voice. And now let's see what we can do with it. Yo, so that's all for this knob trick. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon on another SBX tutorial.